Hello, everybody. In today's video, what I want to do is talk about how AI is going to be affecting the trucking industry. It's already affected it a little bit, but not as much as people probably would have thought. Um, I know some people, I don't even know if I could call them experts, but some people thought that truck driving be like one of the first things AI replaces. As of right now, probably be like one of the last things that it replaces. Especially, they thought that they thought that things like tech and creative work would be like one of the last things that AI would be able to replace. But no, seems that it's the opposite because AI has been taking over tech jobs as far as programming. We all know that tech has been taking over like freelance jobs, like, you can you can type up anything in chat GPT. So it's pretty easy for them to replicate or even create a a blog piece for you, and also generate videos and photos. Like, you can even generate photos that you can use to put on your shirts if you wanted to do that. So yeah, it's not going the way that people thought, but that's good for me, good for you, because definitely didn't want truck driving to be one of the first jobs it takes. You might end up seeing your managers, coworkers that are in the office be gone before you will. One of the things that I can see happening is when companies want to start implementing in self-driving trucks, they will probably have a period of time where they'll have a truck driver still in the truck in case something happens. Let's say like over the road. They might want to start with having self-driving trucks drive at night and then have the truck driver drive in the morning. I could see that, and I can also see them docking people's pay for that as well. I can also see a situation where, for a delivery driver, the truck driver is there to deliver the food, but not necessarily drive the truck. They want the truck to drive from destination to destination because they want to get information from the truck. They want to make sure that the truck doesn't have any problems with getting to these destinations. And as far as where to park at, I guess the truck driver would figure out where they would need to park at in the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then after a while, the truck would be able to, if they have it in a situation where it's like, okay, the truck driver keeps parking in this specific spot, so this is where we're going to program the truck to always park at, like one of those type of situations. I can see that happening. But yeah, the truck driver will go ahead and deliver the food until there will be a portion of time when the companies have things set up to where the receiving company will go ahead and actually take care of delivering the product, getting the product out of the trailer, in other words. So like if you were delivering to Starbucks, you know what I'm saying, the people at Starbucks would go ahead and take care of getting what they need out of the truck. The only thing about that is, and they'll figure it out. But the only thing about that is there's a certain amount of stuff that a person's supposed to get out of a truck. And how are you going to stop somebody from getting out more than they're supposed to get? But, they'll have cameras in the truck at that point in time as well to make sure that people ain't doing anything crazy. So, you know, the process of AI with cameras will help with a bunch of different things. And yeah, that's essentially how I see things going. Y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are. Oh, ultimately, I think that it would be about within 20 years, I would say at least 40% of trucks will be self-driving. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, I guess, technically, but since I'm in this career that I'm in, it's not great. So yeah, unless y'all got some unions or something in y'all companies, which is more likely going to be happening a lot more as people try to get, truck drivers out and bring AI in. Yeah, actually, I see that happening too. Like, the people that already got unions, even though you know that some truck drivers don't even like them, they'll be they'll be happy that they got it. You know what I'm saying? When people start trying to bring in these self-driving trucks. But y'all let me know. Let me know about what y'all think about unions coming in to try to save people jobs from AI, and within how long do you think self-driving trucks will ultimately take over. So yeah, that's all I got for you. If you want to hear more from me, check out this video right here. This should have something good for you. But other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.